Mat and Peggy are here tonight from Sawdust and Iron to tell us all about their store and all this amazing stuff that is surrounding me right now. How are you guys? Thanks for coming in.
Good.
All right, so tell me a little bit about the background of Sawdust and Iron, Peggy.
Well, it started actually from home improvement projects.
Okay.
So Matt, we finished doing some home improvement, and he made a headboard for me.
Okay.
In our room out of barnwood. And then from there, people were like, "Hey, can you make something for me? Can you make?" And then it turned into a business.
That's good, right?
Full-time job.
Full-time job. Yeah. So we moved on from headboards to a lot of other stuff. Is this just
kind of branched off into what people were wanting at the time, and it just exploded.
Yeah.
So whiskey barrels it is. You see we have flights here. We got shots, whiskey, beer, all different sizes, makes, and we can customize and personalize them for you.
That's fun.
Peggy has now gotten into the sign business.
That's a good business to be in, Peggy.
So we can custom make signs, and we have
Fun.
a whole lot of things to choose from.
Great gift.
Sarcastic,
Yeah.
smart alecky, whatever you want.
Yeah.
So this is a big deal, kind of, to turn like something you just made for your wife into a whole business. And you end up having a store location, and you're out at different markets. How do you know what to make to bring to the markets?
We just take what we, if
have.
it doesn't sell and has to go in our house, great.
You make what you like.
We'll make what we like, have fun doing it, branch off into other things as well, and we bring other people with us. So our store is not just us.
Okay.
The bird there,
Yes.
that's Dave. He does chainsaw sculptures.
Oh, wow.
The little tree there, that's small compared to some of the ones he has.
Yeah.
He uses all reclaimed woods. That's Purdy's Creations that does that. So, I mean, he does kitchen islands, lamps, you name it.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we have a lot of different stuff in the store that we don't have represented here.
Sure.
So yeah, it's a lot of different things. We have a maker there that she does makes lampshades and out of
You can see him right there.
Yeah.
there. That's actually
She does furniture, upcycling. She's a Dixie Belle paint dealer. We got all that in our store. She does custom mid-century style lampshades. She makes them herself. Lots of other stuff.
Really cool. So we could stop by your store and maybe find something we love, but then we can also order things that we might be thinking we need for a gift.
Yeah, we do have a website. You can order off of that, or you can just message us on the Facebook page.
Cool.
or come
We'll
into
hook you
the
up.
store.
Yeah. Tell me about this market that's coming up in August.
So it's right next to our store. We have an empty lot that about 30 or so vendors come in. We have a couple food trucks, and it goes from 9 to 3 on Sunday, August 13th. And it's usually a pretty good time.
Yeah, the Clinton Country Market. So it's right next to where your store is
Yes.
to begin with.
Sawdust and Iron.
Yep.
So that's pretty cool, because then if you can be a part of all of it at once,
Yeah,
I guess,
yep.
for stopping by, huh?
Yeah.
Where did you guys come up with the name Sawdust and Iron?
It just came to my head.
Just woke up
Popped
one
out.
day with it?
Yeah.
Really cool. Well, I love this. I love this stuff. We're getting into like wedding season, especially in the summer and fall. These are great gifts for your bridesmaids and groomsmen, or even for brides and grooms. You have so much here, and like you said, so much more at your store and a part of that market. So if anyone wants to reach out to you, what's the best way to do it? Is it Facebook? Is it your website? Is it just stopping by?
Probably the Facebook page is the best
Okay.
right now.
Yep.
Good to know.
Or just give us a call.
All right, well, thank you guys so much for showing all this off. It smells so good in here. I wish we could throw that through the screen, but they'll just have to come see you, and they can smell these pieces too. Thank you guys so much for coming in.
Yeah, come on up and smell the furniture.
Coming up next, we're off to find the motorhome of your dreams at Winnebago Motorhomes, and then Christmas and July game day. We'll be right back.